Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at a cool little Swiss Army knife. And this one is the Victorinox whistle. And now, based on the name, you probably can guess it's got a whistle. And here we go. The Victorinox whistle. Now, as you can tell from the price on the back, they're not super expensive. Unfortunately, they're no longer being produced, but you can sometimes still find them floating around. Sometimes a store might have one, you might have some just at normal price. So they're not impossible to find, but they're a little, it's kind of hit and miss on how hard it is to find them. They also pop up on eBay every now and then. And it's kind of a shame because it's a pretty neat idea. So what they did is the knife, if I can get it out, the knife is basically a Victorinox classic. Only the back scale, instead of a toothpick, is replaced with a whistle. Now, I am not going to blow on this whistle because it's loud and I don't want to torture y'all's ears. But it does work, and it's a pretty serious whistle. You still have the toothpick. I'm sorry. You still have the tweezers. You sacrifice the toothpick to get a whistle out of this deal. And you've got the usual scissors and pen blade, little pen knife blade, and nail file, a little nail file, and a little mini flathead screwdriver that you get with the classic. You just get to add a whistle to it. And the whistle's actually, it's not bad to use. So, I mean, it's an interesting knife, and I like the incorporation of the whistle into it. It's kind of unfortunate that they're no longer being produced. The only thing I can think is maybe people were weirded out by blowing on your knife. But I don't know. What do y'all think? Is this one of those things they should have kept around? It seems like kind of a good... I think if I were going to add scale tools, what I would probably do is I would keep the whistle, because I like the idea of the whistle, and I would probably swap this for a small light, like have a light for this one, like a little LED light, and that way you have a whistle, you have an LED light, and then you have the scissors knife combo for just little random things, cutting things, that kind of thing. I don't know. I think they might have missed something not putting a light on this side, unless they were concerned about it getting too thick. Maybe that's the issue. Because I mean, like, this side is fairly thick for the whistle compared to normal scales. Well, I mean, you can see the comparison. You have a normal scale. So I can line it up so y'all can see it in the camera. Normal scale, not normal scale. So I mean, it is pretty thick. It's an interesting knife. And I'll include links in the description for the Swiss Army Knife Wiki entry on this. And I'll also include an Amazon search link that might find these for you if anyone's selling them on Amazon. You can also hunt around online, just search for Victorinox whistle. And there might still be some stores, some like sporting goods stores, online sporting goods stores, that kind of thing, that still have some in stock. So I think it's not impossible to find, at least not at the making of this video, but they're not getting more common. So if you want one of these, you need to try and hunt one up as soon as possible. And don't pay a ton for them, because I mean, as you can see, retail is 20 bucks. Well, the retail at this store is 20 bucks. So they should be in that price range, unless they're getting, you know, super scarce and they're becoming more collectible than not. Anyway, let me know what you think. Do all Swiss Army knives need whistles now? Let me know in the comments. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I hope y'all have an excellent day.